What's going on YouTube? And today I will be reviewing the Salvatore Ferragamo men's belt in black/reversible red with a gold buckle. Alright, let's open up the box. Well, I guess first let's see. This is how the box came. Salvatore Ferragamo, Florence, Italy. It's embossed, you can feel it right there. You can see. I had this belt for about 2.5, 3 years, so just keep that in mind. Alright, now let's pop the top. Top of the lid. It's the dust bag and the buckle and the belt. We will go over what came inside first. It's a card, it says Salvatore Ferragamo, made in Italy. With the style code, serial number, Sunset Calf, Nero, MSRP $4.95. Also came with this other card holder that says Salvatore Ferragamo. Nothing in it. Lay it to the side. Let's go to the belt. Like I said, I had this for about 2.5, 3 years. So wearing it, the holes, I would say they kept up pretty good. As you can see, it's a black textured calf leather, rounded on the edges of the belt. Again, this is 100% authentic, so just so you know. A few scuff marks on the belt, but other than that, I would say it held up pretty good. You see it coming around this side. Let's turn it around. This is Salvatore Ferragamo, made in Italy, with the serial code right there. And the size, CM85. And red side, still looks good. I wear it mostly on the black side. That's what the black side is. More scuffs and stuff, but the red side's pretty much still flawless. But I mean, for 3 years, $500 belt, I would say it's pretty good. It's the dust bag it came in, Salvatore Ferragamo. Let's take out the buckle. Gold buckle, Salvatore Ferragamo. Has a few scratches, but other than that, held up pretty good. Still looks great. It's the back of it. Flat screws. So you can see it says made in Italy right there, so you can see it. Yeah. But other than that, it's a pretty good belt. I would definitely recommend $500. Definitely a good belt. For 3 years, it held up. So this is my review. I definitely recommend the belt. I'm satisfied with it. Just in case you're wondering how the belt looks when it's all put together, and this is how it looks on the black side. And this is how it looks on the red side. Like I said before, completely reversible belt. If you want to rock it the black way or the red way, the choice is completely up to you. Either way, it will still look fire. But till the next time, I'm out.